In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files using Dropbox. Whether you're collaborating with a colleague, sharing memories with family, or transferring work files, Dropbox makes sharing files quick and straightforward. Let's dive into how you can seamlessly send files using this popular platform. First, we need to upload the file you wish to send to your Dropbox folder. If you don't have Dropbox installed on your computer, you can easily do this by dragging the file into the Dropbox folder on your desktop, or by selecting Upload on the Dropbox website and choosing your file from your computer. Once uploaded, your file is safely stored in the cloud and can be accessed from anywhere you have an internet connection. Next, locate the file within your Dropbox folder. This might be in the Dropbox app on your desktop or online through a web browser. Right-click on the file here using your mouse or trackpad. If you're on a mobile device, you can tap the Options menu beside the file. From this context menu, select the Share option. This step is crucial as it opens up the options for sharing your file with others. Once your sharing menu is open, you have a couple of choices to make. You can enter the recipient's email address directly in the provided field. This method sends them an email with a link to access the file. However, if you prefer, you can create a shareable link instead. This link can be copied and sent via text message, instant messenger, or any way you like. The flexibility here allows you to choose the method that best suits your needs or your recipient's preferences. Before sending the email or sharing the link, you'll need to decide what level of access you want your recipient to have. You'll see options like Can View or Can Edit. Now, if you choose Can View, the recipient will only be able to look at the file without making any changes to it. If you choose Can Edit, they will be able to make changes directly to the file. Consider what's appropriate based on the sensitivity and nature of the document you're sharing. Finally, after selecting the appropriate permissions, click Send if you've chosen to email directly, or simply share the link you've created. Once the link is shared or the email is sent, your recipient can access the file immediately. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a file using Dropbox. It's an easy and efficient way to ensure your files are shared safely and securely. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you master file sharing with Dropbox. Whether it's a casual share or a critical document, Dropbox has made it simple and stress-free. Stay tuned for more tips on efficiently using popular digital tools.